My name is Jack and I'm excited to share my eCareers journey with you. I studied the AWS Cloud Practitioner, Solutions Architect Associate and Professional courses through eCareers back in 2023. Before I started this journey, I was in a completely different industry, working as an estate agent, which shows that this course and pathway is for anyone. Getting started was extremely easy and super rewarding. The sign-up process was straightforward and hassle-free, with success coaches on hand to answer any of the questions that you've got. One of the highlights of this process for me was a taster session with one of the instructors that take the course. These courses laid the foundation for me to transition into such a rewarding career, and they even gave me the opportunity to give back as a mentor in their AWS Academy. My learning journey with eCareers was incredible. The course was well structured, the tutors were knowledgeable and supportive, and the course literature and materials were really easy to find and follow. I managed to fit learning into my daily routine by studying after work in the evening for a few hours. The beauty of eCareers is that all the information you need is easy to access, so whether you're at home, on a break at work, or even on the go, you can do little bits here and there. The flexibility made it easy to stay consistent. The customer experience team were fantastic. Is that no 2 days are the same. The tech landscape is always changing, and it means there's always something new to learn, test and implement. The work is both challenging and rewarding. But it's not just about the tech, it's about the problem solving element of it, the innovation. Whether I'm troubleshooting an issue or designing a solution, I get to think creatively and collaborate with a really good team. If you enjoy learning, solving complex problems and making a real impact, cloud engineering is an exciting field to be in. So my mornings usually start with a quick look over my emails and recurring daily reports. We have a stand-up in the afternoon where we go over what we're working on, any blockers that we need help with, and priorities for our day. A big part of my job is managing cloud resources as a cloud engineer, setting up servers, working with containers, and making sure things run securely and efficiently. Security is a huge focus and it's constantly ongoing. That means reviewing logs, fixing vulnerabilities, and troubleshooting performance issues. The cloud is always evolving, so I spend time learning new tools, keeping up with certifications, and testing out new services. If you're thinking about a cloud career, start with AWS, Azure, or GCP. Get hands-on with projects. It's a great field to be in.